Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the monitor's native ratio so you know your target. Once done, close games and media that lock scaling and set windows to the recommended resolution. Next, open display settings in Windows or your GPU control panel, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, because those tools change scaling modes. You need admin access for some drivers. If prompted, approve changes. This gets you into the exact panels where aspect and scaling options live. You now pick the resolution that matches the aspect ratio you want and apply it. In GPU control panels, choose scaling mode. Aspect ratio preserves proportions, full panel stretches, integer scaling keeps pixel-perfect sharpness. For older apps, enable GPU scaling and set the override if needed. Apply the change and immediately test by opening a game or a video in both windowed and full screen. This reveals whether black bars, stretching, or blurriness occurred so you can refine the setting. Finish by locking in your choice and restarting the affected application or the PC so settings persist. If the image is cropped or looks blurry, revert to the previous setting and try a different scaling mode, aspect ratio versus full panel, or use integer scaling for crisp pixels. If the desired options are missing, update or reinstall GPU drivers, and if problems continue, reset the control panel to defaults. These steps resolve most conflicts between Windows and GPU scaling.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.